All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Drive Theory. In today's episode, we're going to be Oh, you can't even see it because there's too many cars in the way. Oh, there it is. I just zoomed too much. We're gonna be reviving the Civic because I want to get rid of the thing. It just sits there. I don't know. It hasn't started since August, and it is like March 7th, I think. I don't know what day it is. But anyway, before we do that, I remembered I had all the interior for this thing in the basement when I was down there turning the water on the other day. So, obviously, there's fucking moldy spiders and mold. No shit. And, oh, we got some moss there, too. So, anyway, awesome. So, I'm gonna pressure wash all this stuff quick. And then we're gonna see if the Civic will even start. And then we're gonna wash that thing too. It was raining, it stopped. Hopefully it stays that way. Alright, new clip, got a haircut. Anyways, we got this shit. Real quick, I wanna show you guys how bad this stuff is. I already sprayed a whole bottle of this stuff on it. I think that's oil. Some of the mold's gone away from spraying it. That's good. There, fucking spider eggs. Gotta love it. Okay, so that was a lot more of a pain in the ass than I thought it would be. Holy hell. I've been at it for like, I don't know, 2 hours now. But obviously I gotta like clean the mud off of them and shit, but they came out a lot better than I thought it would. Unfortunately, the sound deadening had to die, but oh well. All the paint's coming off the deck while I was drying it. There's a lot of mud I gotta clean off. Oopsie. But yeah, I got a couple more to do, and then time for the Civic. Yay! Oh yeah, I forgot to add. Obviously, this is like, it is savable, but it's all fucked, and there's still some mold on it. I don't think it's worth my time, to be honest. So it's about to go in that trash bag. It actually started.
Let's not rev it. It might actually. We might
rev it.
No. We might actually. No. Whoa.
It's misfiring bad.
Now rev it.
Hog ass cam, brother. Fucking man. Look how fucking dirty it is in here. Oh my god. Every light's on the back.
Yeah, 4 ways. Turn the 4 ways on. There we go. Look, that's not even misfiring.
Alright, so I don't even remember what I recorded last, but anyways. We got this thing over here. These guys about to scrap.
I'm gonna shoot him.
He got the stupid German fucking shit. It's pretty fucking stupid. That you need to use for everything. We're gonna take seats out, clean this thing. It's gross as fuck. Look at this. Look at this.
Why you fucking looking at me?
This guy's fucking just manhandling the seat. Where's what?
The connector.
The connector.
I don't know if it's that. No, that's not where you
It's right here. It's yellow.
No, it's not. Let me fucking see it.
It goes over. It goes up and around. Do you see the yellow fucking connector right there, buddy? That's the only connector I see.
Mean?
That's the only.
What are these? Move.
Holy shit. Shoot him.
I'm about to. Fucking move, Nick.
Hey, yo.
You're retarded.
So I wasn't recording, but this guy that hydro locked the engine.
God.
Just rip it. It doesn't need airbags.
Doesn't need heated seats because apparently this fucking retard can't figure it out.
Oh, it does have a bunch of connectors.
Oh. Dumbass. Fucking.
So we struck gold, boys.
Oh, it's disgusting.
Moldy French fry. It's really not even that moldy. It must be
Logan.
from McDonald's.
Logan, I'll pay you fucking
That's
$10 to eat one.
Yeah, $10. Give me 100.
Okay, we'll go to my bank right now.
$100 to eat the forbidden French fry.
I want to see the money before I do it.
No, I want to see you eat it first.
No,
I
that's not how this works.
I need to make sure you're gonna live before.
Oh,
I eat
look at
$100.
Look at these fucking moldy quarters, dude. You got your money's worth out of this thing just from that.
Yep.
I had to unplug the connectors for this guy because he doesn't know.
No, I
How
knew how
to-
to.
No,
It's
you-
just
no,
there's
you
63. Look.
There's 3!
2 actually.
Well, I disconnected another one, so there's 4.
No, I didn't include there's 3 of them, you fucking dumbass. Okay, we're gonna start cleaning this piece of shit.
No, we're
I might do a time lapse. I don't know if I can put the camera anywhere.
Where are your gloves, son? Never. This guy's ready for it. Oh! He just got 8.
Hey. You guys
some Wendy's?
hungry? Oh my. Fucking welding rig here. About to fix this headlight. If this guy. My clamp is faulty. As you can see.
There we go.
Okay, you got it, bud.
I think so.
Jeez. We gotta lay a fat bead right here for the next owner to use. I don't know if this thing's hot enough. Oh,
It's doing something.
yeah.
I smell it.
Dude,
I smell place.
I smell cancer. Mmm. Cancer. It smells so good.
Dude, you're making me fucking laugh.
Hold still, you motherfucker.
I'm trying not to laugh. Quit making me laugh.
We gotta get her over here.
Redneck ingenuity bad.
Nah, this is what they charge you $800 for at the dealer. This is exactly what they're doing. They don't even take the headlight off the car. Don't need to.
Fuck
Nope.
it.
There's no need.
No need.
Alright. Let me fucking smooth her over there. Alright, hold it still
Hold it.
till it cools.
Till it
Alright, this
cools.
guy's gonna be here for the next 24 hours. We'll see you then.
About to lay another fat bead.
That'll lay fucking bead of ABS. We gotta get some right there. People are ripping
Wild
on
Subaru in the
bypass.
distance.
Give it some extra support on the side here. Just boogering the fuck out of this thing.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
As long as it holds, that's all that matters.
I don't even remember where the seam was anymore. I put so much fucking plastic down. I think it's right here.
Do you think so?
Oh yeah. We need some more right here. Do you see that fucking bead, man? Dude, give me a underwater
welding job. Give
Yep.
this guy a welding
That's
job.
right. You see that right there?
Look at that.
Holy shit. That's beautiful. That's a work of art right there. Hey, you weren't supposed to let go yet. Okay, this dumbass cleaned the inside. Call me for all your welding services. Look at that. Like it was never broken. Perfect. How you making out in here, bud? What? Alright, looks like shit.
Yeah.
Hey, yo. So, I already put everything away for all that interior bullshit, but here's the aftermath of all the fucking sound deadening and shit. It looks like I drove through a stuffed toy factory. This guy's on his knees as usual.
Fuck you, man. That's the other guy.
Yeah, the homo left. Oh, I probably... Yeah. Oh, what the hell? There's... What the fuck? This guy really likes his change.
Mm-hmm. Oh, dude, that's fucking nasty.
If you guys could smell this thing, it smells like ammonia and rotting gerbil. Yeah, that's what it smells like. So, yeah, we're gonna keep cleaning it for a little bit, and then that's probably gonna be the end for today. Oh my god, this thing is so fucking dirty. Look at that. There's like 10 years of smegma on this motherfucker. Alright, so we're gonna call it for this one.
Yep.
This ran out of time for the fucking day. I'm not sure if this will be the end of the video or if I'll continue this.
We'll have a part 2, definitely.
If I'll continue this the next day, but here's where we're at so far. It's somewhat cleaned.
All thanks to me.
No seats in it. Yeah, dumbass left.
Mm-hmm.
So this guy thinks the key won't turn. I feel like it's just because the steering wheel's locked. Yep, get in there, boy. Get in there, boy. You look so funny.
Oh, wait, it's because I have the steering wheel not.
Hold on, we gotta get a still frame. This is about to be a thumbnail. Look at. Okay, perfect.
What the fuck?
Jiggle a bitch.
There we go.
I told you, you dumbass. Might have actually hydro-locked it. Gas or when you start it. You gotta give her the beans, bud.
I am.
Well, maybe it's flooded then. What the fuck? Things totaled. Oh my god. Things totaled. What the fuck? I mean, it's wet. It should start though. Let me give it. You gotta give it fucking gas, bud. There you go. Clear her out. Oh, the belt. See, I told you. She just needed.
There's an EPC light on.
She needed to get the water through it.
Oh, fuck, cruise control's on.
What's it? Yep. Average Volkswagen right here, ladies and gentlemen.
I turn off cruise control.
Christmas came early. Okay, you want me to shut the hood?
What's VRL?
We'll be back. All right, we got the midget in here today, driving the Volkswagen. Can you even see?
Yeah, you can see it.
Look at this motherfucker. What an absolute unit, man.
Yeah, you gotta guide me. I'm looking to the rear.
Yeah, it's straight back. Look at this
Expert driver, bud.
sir. Can you see over your dash? Here,
Fuck no.
let's see it. Let's see a POV right here.
POV shot. Only way to see. Can't see fucking shit.
Oh, what a unit. So anyways, if any of you guys want to buy this thing for $5,000, put down in the comments below. This guy's stuck. Midget man, you gotta roll the window up, buddy.
Oh shit. I thought I did.
Now the battery's gonna be dead. What a fucking unit. What a unit. We might address this in the next video. I don't know. Nick's a pussy.
Mm-hmm. My mom has to go get groceries.
And obviously, we didn't get to work on this thing in this video because dumbass actually pulled up. I didn't expect him to. Not this one, the other dumbass. But yeah, we'll work on this fucking thing then. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoy the content, like and subscribe. Make sure. I only have 13 subscribers. It's less than my fucking high school class. So make sure you subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned and we'll see you later. Okay, before the fucking journey ends, that stupid fuck that left might have lost my fucking 10 mil. If he is, the next video is gonna be us fucking boxing. So, how do you open the hood on this? There it is. Oh, he's a lucky son of a bitch.